The three trades I made, one was on SMCI. The plan with SMCI was to short if there's a squeeze up at the open based on this trend line that's been going for a couple days, as well as a major pivot point. And I did end up shorting 5 minutes into the open and held out as I should. Almost got stopped out, but I didn't. And then started to trend downward, partialed out, close to uh, this 34.68 level, and then I took the remainder at the level. Um, for this trade, um, when you have momentum like this, I was thinking of partialing out half here and then letting it ride some more, but you never know how much it's going to run anyways. So all in all, it was a good trade. Followed the plan as I should, and made about 0.5% on this one. A trade I had that was not so good was on the SPY itself, and the idea behind this trade was I was going off of these levels here from a few days prior. As you can see, it was a hell of a sell-off here, and tried buying at this level, and it ended up bouncing a little bit. Sorry, to start, I missed this bounce, and I didn't chase it, which was good. But then it ended up coming back to my level, and I was looking for the double bottom here. But with levels, as you hit the level more and more, it becomes weaker. And that's what happened here. I purchased at the level of 558, and it went in my favor. I had a stop at 557, so as it went in my favor, I brought the stop up to break even, and eventually I did get stopped out, and I got like a hardly a loss. It was break even, so um, I'm not really too big on this trade because it wasn't part of the original plan, and I was just looking for a trade, I think. So um, this was not the best trade, and next time, really, if there's nothing that I can make a plan for or that has high conviction, shouldn't even pull the trigger on it, because this could have gone much worse, where I buy in and it just bleeds right through my level immediately. So that one was a regrettable one. And another good trade I had was with JP Morgan. So JP Morgan, the plan was to purchase at the gap fill here. That's at 261, or sorry, 241.60. And I did end up buying here, seeing it hold the support. I bought here with a stop loss at around 240.50, and it ended up running in my favor. So there's two factors to this trade that piqued my interest, and that's that whenever you have a sell-off like this, there's a lot of shorts that are trying to cover at end of day as they don't want to hold overnight. So that can come behind the rally. Uh, so it's holding the support. Shorts have to cover, and I did like that about this trade. So this one was also a good trade. I made just over 0.5%. So all in all, I made 1% today, which is a pretty good day. If I do that every day, then I have a bright future. So the key is consistency and sticking to the plan, and that's really the name of the game.